well-mannered? Who was a well-mannered child? Okay, Yash Garg, unmute yourself, Yash Garg.
Shahid.
Yes, Shahid, very good. Who was a well-mannered child? Shahid was a well-mannered child. Okay, mute yourself, Yash. Okay. Okay, who loves his younger sister? Who loves his younger sister? Raise your hand, all of you. Who loves his younger sister? Okay. Divya Goel. Divya Goel, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, Shahid.
Shahid loves his younger sister. Very good. Okay, now mute yourself. Okay. What did Shahid do? What he eat in the morning? What he was not eating, what he was not, he used to never use, Shahid never used to use dash words for anyone. What did Shahid never use dash words for anyone? Shahid never uses which words for anyone? Yes, Riyansh. Shahid used dash words for anyone. Yes, Riyansh. Riyansh, your voice is not coming. Beta, your voice is not clear. Bring the mic near your mouth. Bring the mic near your mouth. Your voice is not clear.
Yes.
Yes, beta, still it is not clear. Still it is not clear.
Not clear. ये क्या एरर है? कौन सा पूछा था?
Yes, children.
Ma'am, no slide.
Beta, still your words are not clear. What you are saying, Riyansh?
Ma'am.
Yes.
No slide, ma'am.
Beta. Okay, I'm muting you. I'm not able to understand what you are saying. Okay, Riyansh? Adjust your mic first. Okay. Who will tell me? Ki Shahid never uses dash words for anyone. Who will tell me? Shahid never uses dash words for anyone. Shahid never uses dash. Yes, Darsh, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, bad words.
Yes, very good. Bad words. Okay, yes, very good. Bad words. He never uses bad words for anyone. Okay. Now, who will tell who? Shahid obeys his dash and dash. Obeys whom and whom? Shahid obeys his dash and dash. Whom he used to obey? I want everyone's hands should be raised. Shahid obeys his dash and dash. Whom he obeys? Yes, Arav Agarwal. Arav Agarwal. Shahid obeys his dash and dash. Yes, Arav.
हाँ
Yes,
मैम अभी अभी
Arav.
चालू करी है मैम, पता नहीं मुझे।
Okay, okay, no problem.
को पता नहीं है।
Okay, no problem. Okay, we are taking the revision test of chapter number 3, that is Be Like Shahid. And tomorrow I will take the revision test of language, that is chapter number 4. Okay? Okay. Who will tell me? Okay, Gauranshi. Gauranshi, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Gauranshi, he obeys his dash and dash. He
मैम
obeys
क्वेश्चन
his dash.
दोबारा पुटअप कर दीजिए।
I am saying only, Gauranshi, Shahid obeys his dash and dash. Whom he used to obey? Shahid,
मैम क्वेश्चन हिंदी में पुटअप कर दीजिए।
beta, question will be coming in English only, na? In paper, it will come in English. How will you will understand at that time? Shahid obeys. You can see in your book, beta, all the answers in there from book only I'm asking. Shahid obeys his dash and dash. Okay, I will give you one clue. Okay, one blank answer I will give you. Shahid obeys his parents and Shahid obeys his parents and Shahid obeys his parents and Shahid obeys किसको करता था? Parents and okay, leave me. Okay, some other parents and yes, Gauranshi, parents and okay, Umang is raising his hand. Okay, Umang. Umang Goel.
टीचर।
Yes, teachers. Shahid obeys his parents and teachers. Got it, Gauranshi? It is teachers. Shahid obeys his parents and teachers. Okay. Shahid does not dash with anyone. Fill the blanks I am asking. Shahid does not dash with anyone. Shahid does not dash with anyone. Shahid does not dash with anyone. Okay, Shreyansh Garg. Shreyansh Garg, unmute yourself. Yes, Shreyansh. Shahid does not dash with anyone.
Disobey anyone.
Beta, your voice is not clear. Put your mic near your mouth.
Disobey.
Beta, I can't hear you.
Dis-
Say, speak little louder, Shreyansh. Speak little louder.
Disobey anyone.
Shreyansh, your voice is not clear, beta. What you are saying, I'm not able to understand what you are saying.
Disobey.
Shahid does not dash with anyone.
Disobey. And
No, not disobey. No, Riyansh, it is not disobey.
yeah.
Mute yourself. Okay, who will tell me this answer? Okay, Kashvi. Kashvi, unmute yourself. Yes, Kashvi, Shahid. Quarrel, very good. What? Shahid does not quarrel with anyone or anybody. Okay. Yes, Kashvi, got it? Okay. Acha, what Shahid used to do before having his meal? What Shahid used to do before having his meal? Who will tell me this? What Shahid used to do before having his meal? Yes, Darsh? What Shahid used to do before? Yes, Darsh, your voice is not clear. Bring your mic near your mouth.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What Shahid used to do before having the meal? Before having the meal, what he used to do? Before and after having the meal? Yes, Darsh? Darsh, do you know the answer? Darsh, your voice is... Yes, Darsh, do you... What Shahid used to do before and after meal? What he used to do before and after meal, Darsh?
After the meal.
No, no, no. No, it's incorrect. Okay, mute yourself. I will ask someone. Okay, Yash Garg. Okay, Kanak is also raising. Yes, Yash Garg. Yash Garg. What Shahid used to do before and after meal? What Shahid used to do? Washes his hands. Yes, very good. What Shahid used to do? Shahid used to wash his hands before and after meal. Got it? Okay. What he used to do when he used to take help from someone? What Shahid used to do when he used to take help from anyone? If he is taking any help from someone or anyone, so what he used to say? Yes, Kashvi. What he used to say?